So this is the action mode. Not really sure what it means. I picked it while walking. Now I'm not using that DJI gimbal this time. I'm just using just something that holds the phone and I can hold it in my hand with, like a little stick. Here, I'll show you. This is what it looks like. Just gonna slide it in. What's up, Gray? How you doing? What's going on? Look at this mess you made here. You know, you don't have to do that. Rubbing your feet on the ground, getting impatient. Did you just fart, dude? Shut up, Sage. Hello, ducks. Ooh, somebody's mad. What are you mad about? Why are you so angry? Why'd you chase her away? I think I'll try the gimbal after feeding these guys. It's a lot smoother. So spent the better part of the day trying to transfer my Android onto this iPhone, and then I messed around with this compactor for about 10-15 minutes. All honesty, I mean, it looks all nicer than before, but you just walk on it and you can kick the stuff right back up. Wasn't what I was hoping what it was gonna do, but it is what it is. I went over here. See that part right there? Makes a nice flat surface, but I mean, if the dog sprinted off of this ground once or twice, it's back to how it was. I may use it to straighten out these stalls over here. See, you got a little bit of bumps here and there that, you know, the horse's pee just stands on. I want to give it a nice decline down there so water and everything just slides back down. All right, let me get their feed.